Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL U. In this video I'll show you how to use easy access. To use easy access function in this car, firstly make sure easy access is enabled in the car's system. Once it's enabled, you can quickly lock and unlock the car without the key. Of course, the key has to be nearby, for example in your pocket. Simply grab the handle and press this button to lock or unlock the doors. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.